short rhyme along with this video. First one time you listen, so second time you sing. Okay? Yes, ready? Start. Rain on the leaves, rain on the tree, rain on the rooftop and not on me. Yes, come on. Rain on the green grass. Ready? Rain on the green grass. Rain on the green grass. Rain on the tree. Rain on the tree. Rain on the rooftop. Rain on the rooftop. But not on me. But not on me. Come on, sing. Start. Rain on the green grass. Rain on the tree. Rain on the rooftop. But not on me. This is a short rhyme. What did you understand from this rhyme? It's only 4 lines. It is sweet, nice. What it is about? This rhyme of what it is about? ಯಾವುದು ಮೇಲೆ ರೈಮ್ ಇದೆ? ರೈಮ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ? ಮಳೆ ಇದೆ, ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ rain. So here in this rhyme, once again I report.
ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್
Now you 2 times short time. I will sing out.
Rain on the green grass, rain on the trees, rain on the rooftop, but not on me.
See how it rains.
Rain on the green grass, rain on the trees, rain on the rooftop, but not on me. My kids have family.
Okay. So now today we shall see the poem Rain in Summer from your textbook. Poem 1. Open your textbook. Poem 1. Rain in Summer. Page number. So see the index. See the index. See the page number. 34. Page number 34. Did you get? Okay. Now, you want me to read or you want to listen? Choice is yours. You want me to read the poem or you want to listen to the music? recall that music. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಓದ್ತೀನಿ. ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಡು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. Poem 1, Rain in Summer. Will you repeat after me? Okay. How beautiful is the rain? Repeat ಮಾಡಿ. After the dust and heat, in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain? Once again, how beautiful is the rain? After the dust and heat, in the broad and fiery street, the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain? Come on, you read together. Repeat. Ready? Start. Fiery street. Yes, good. Next, second stanza. How it clatters along the roof. How it clatters along the roof. Like the tramp of hoofs. How it gushes and struggles out. From the throat of the overflowing spout. Across the window pane. Ready? Spout. Across the window pane. Okay, next, last stanza. It pours and pours. And swift and wide. With a muddy tide. A river down the gutter rows. Like a river down. The gutter rows. The rain, the welcome rain. Written by H.W. Longfellow. Which? It pours. It pours and pours. With a muddy tide. Once again, these men students are not repeating. Girls, you don't say. Let all the boys repeat. It pours and pours. And swift and wide. With a muddy tide. Written by H.W. Longfellow. Now will you read? Only boys, come on. It pours. Okay, stop it. Now we shall ask individual reading. Yes, who is ready to read first stanza? Anyone? Boys or girls? Anyone? No? Why? Okay, shall I read once again? You don't repeat. Listen. Poem 1, Rain in Summer. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat, in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain. Now come on, say. Anyone? One. Anyone? Nobody? Yes, you are ready? Yes, come on. Say. Poem 1.
Rain in summer.
Okay.
How beautiful is the
I repeat all of you.
How beautiful is the rain
after the dust and heat, the broad and fiery street.
Broad. The broad and fiery street.
How beautiful is the rain.
Give me a clap. Good. Next stanza. Please come on. Let them repeat.
Okay.
Second line.
Like the tramp of hoofs.
Third bench boys not repeating. Yes, come on.
Like the tramp of hoofs.
Yes.
The overflowing.
From the throat of the overflowing spout.
From the throat
Wait, let us read. Madam.
From the throat of the
Throat.
overflowing
Throat.
throat. From the throat of the overflowing spout.
Okay.
From the throat of the overflowing spout. Across the window pane.
Fine. Give her a clap. Next, last stanza who will read? Anybody?
Goes.
Yes, repeat.
It goes and goes and sweet and white. And sweet and white.
Swift and wide.
Swift and white.
Swift.
Swift and white.
Yes, come once again, read.
And swift and white.
Yes, repeat.
Swift and white. Muddy tide.
No.
With a muddy tide.
With a
muddy tide. Like a rain of.
River.
Down the
Spelling.
Gutter.
Gutter.
Gutter. ROAS. Rose.
Say the line. Read the line.
Like a river and down.
Like The
The
gutter.
gutter
Rose.
rose. Gutter rose. The rain is.
Okay. The rain.
The rain. The welcome rain. The rain. The welcome rain.
Give a clap. It's written in bold letters. HW Longfellow. His full name HW Longfellow. See in the next para about the poet Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. Poet's name, full name is Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. Okay. Now, so I'll show you the card. Those who know, you can stand and spell the word. Spell the. Do you? Are you ready? Don't say. If you know, just put up your hands. Nandu? Fiery. Okay, sit down. Spell the word, all of you. Once again. Read the word. Fiery. So, see in your textbook, there's the meaning. Fiery. What's the meaning given there? Nandu, read. Read the meaning in glossary. Page number 35. Fiery. Stand and read. Intensely hot. Okay. Next, second word. What's the second word there in the book? Clatter. Okay. Suma, spell the word. Clatter. Yes, spell the word, all of you. Bench boys, spell the word. Clatter. Okay. What's the meaning of Suma? Spell the word. Who will give the word for that? Yes, RATTLING. Rattling. Say, rattling. Noise. Noise ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಎಮ್ಮು ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಫಿಲರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಡು ಇಟ್ ರಾಟ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ it was the sound? How was the sound? First ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು sound?
Slow.
Slow ಆಗಿ
Fast.
then later
Slow.
slow. Next word. Ah. Yes, boys, last page. Others shouldn't say last page. Trump. Spelling.
T-R-A-M-P.
T-R-A-M-P. What it is?
Tramp.
Tramp. Shivraju, will you read the meaning? Weak. Stand properly. Spelling ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ spelling ಹೇಳಿ. Walk heavily. Walk heavily. Okay, next word. Sit down. Spell the word. Spelling. Purappa, spelling. H-O-V-F. Hoof. Hoof means? Sit down. What's the meaning given there? Horny casing of horse foot. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು you have seen horse, right? ಕುದುರೆ ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ? ಅದು ಕಾಲ್ ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ? ಎದ್ರೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಏನ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಅಂತಾನೆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀಗ ಫಿಗರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಹಾಗೆ ತಾನೇ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಫುಡ್ ಕುದುರೆದು ಕೆಲವು ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಕುದುರೆ ಗಾಳ ಅಂತ ಈ ತರ ಯು ಶೇಪ್ ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ? ಹಾಡಿಮನ ಕುದುರೆ ಇದ್ರು ಹಾಶು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್. Third bench boys. Third bench. ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Gush. Spelling?
G-U-S-H.
Gush. Okay. You read the meaning from the text.
Float.
Flower. Flow. Flow out suddenly. Yes, read. Flow out
Suddenly.
Next. Anyone. Stand in.
Spout. Ma'am.
Spout. You say ma'am. You. Spout spelling.
S-P-U-O-U-T.
Spout. Yes. Spell everybody.
S-P-O-U-T.
You read what's the meaning given there. Spelling.
Narrow.
Hey, don't be hurry. Kiran. Hey. Narrow opening. Next word. This is for. Shall I ask? Tulasi. Spell the word. P-A-N-A. Yes, anyone will read the word? Pain. Gautam, sit straight. Pain. Not pain. Pain spelling?
P-A-I-N-D.
P-A-I-N. ಅದು ಬೇರೆ. No. This is pain. What's the meaning given there in the glossary? ಅದೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. Letter read.
S-I-N-G-L-E.
Single. Spell the word.
P-I-E-C-E.
Piece.
Single piece of glasses.
Glasses ಇದೆಯಾ?
Glass
glass.
in a W-I-N-D-O.
ಏನಿದು?
Window.
What is this? Window. So, pane means single piece of glass in a window. Glass ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So ನಿಮ್ಮನೇಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ window? windowಗೆ glass ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಆ glass ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? pane. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಅವನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ವರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಡು. ಎನಿಬಡಿ? ಪೌರ. ಪೌರಲ್ಲ ಪೌರ್. ಆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪೌರ್ ಅನ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಪೌರ್. ಓಕೆ. ಎಲ್ಲವರು ಪವನ್ ಸರಿತಲಿ ಫೋರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸರಿ. ರೈ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ. ಹೆವಿಲಿ. ಹೆವಿಲಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ರೈನ್ ಹೆವಿಲಿ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜೋರ ಬೀಳ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಜೋರ ಬೀಳೋದನ್ನ ರೈನ್ ಹೆವಿಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಾಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಓಕೆ. ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್. ನೀವು ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಏನದು? ಸ್ವಿಫ್ಟ್. 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 ಸ್ವಿಫ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಿ ಸ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದೇರ್? ಸ್ವಿಫ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರಿನಾ? Then what it is? Quick. Queen. Kiwi. Not kiwi. Kiwi. Next. Unai. Spell the word. Yes, anybody will give the word? Spelling okay, word. Gutter. Read the meaning. Meaning what? Train. Train ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚರಂಡಿ ತರ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಡ್ರೈನೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಥರ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ನೀರು ಸಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನದಿಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಚರಂಡಿಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏಕ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಥ್ರೂ. ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳು.
Water.
Yes.
Yes.
ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳು.
Dirty. Water.
ಕ್ಲಾಪ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ರೋಲ್.
When water rushes
ಥ್ರೂ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೀರೇನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಜೋರ ಹರಿಯುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೌಂಡ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದು ರೈನ್ ವಾಟ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನೀರು. ಓಕೆ. ವಿಲ್ ಎನಿವನ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮೀ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ poem raining song? ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? ನೀವು ವಾಚ್ಡ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಸರಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ಏನು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್? ಏನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ? ಯಾವಾಗ? poem name itself is ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ.
Beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat in the narrow lane, how beautiful.
how does the street look? How does the street look?
In the broad and fiery.
How does the street look? Yes, yes. Come on. Stand and say.
In the broad and fierce.
It looks. How does it look? In broad and fiery. Okay, take what are the zero?
Close.
Yes. Okay, fine. Next, now. When does it rain? When does it rain? ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಳೆ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ? The name of the poem. It's raining? ಹೇಳಿ ನೀನು ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್, ಏನ್ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್? When does it rain? ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೇಳಿ. poem ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Right? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Yes, anybody? Not summer is right.
Rains in summer.
Summer. It rains in summer. Okay, next question. Where is the rain making clattering sound? Clattering sound. You can look into the poem also. Where the sound of the rain comes. Where is the rain making clattering sound? ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಸೌಂಡ್? ಹೇಳಿ ನುಡಿಯಲ್ಲ poem ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Yes.
How it clatters along the roof.
Yes, how it clatters along the roof ಅಂದ್ರೆ roof ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ roof ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ it's telling that. Okay. Next, the poet compares the rain to the tramp of hoofs. Tramp of hoofs ಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. Pick out the lines. Lines ನ pick ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಯಾವ್ದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಯಾವ್ದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ fourth question ಗೆ? Shall I tell? Second stanza, second line ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Second stanza, second line. Read that line.
Like the tramp of hoofs.
Yes, like the
Tramp of hoofs.
Next, where does the rain pour down? Rain pour ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ rain ಬಿದ್ರೆ ಆ roof top ಇಂದ it flows down. ಆ down ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ.
Like it pours and
Pours.
it pours and pours.
With ಮಳೆ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಬಿದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ
And
ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ?
sit and bite.
ಆಯ್ತು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
Muddy
Right. ಈಗ ಮಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ರೂಫಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬೀಳುತ್ತಾ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮಡ್ಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
Miss
ಮಣ್ಣು ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀರು ಕೂಡ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
like a river bottom.
How does the water look when it comes down the gutter? Gutter ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಿದು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹರಿದು ಬಂದಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತದು? Like a river. ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗಿ ನದಿ ಹರಿಯುತ್ತಲ್ಲ in the river flowing. ಆದರೆ ಈ ತರ. So for you the homework is you only should prepare the notes for these questions. Questions ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? 6 questions ಇದೆ.
Question